Hello. This is a short video on what 33 and 1/3% is. This is the percent form of 1/3. This is percent tweet number 11. To find the 24% tweets, come to Jim Olson's homepage and scroll down till you see the graphic for 24% tweets. And click 24% tweets. And here we have the slide presentations and the practice decks for the 24 important things to know about percent, all of which are tweetable. And here is our slide deck for 1/3 being 33 and 1/3%. To find 33 and 1/3 of a number, divide by 3. Sometimes we do round off 33 and 1/3 to 33%. Why is it that 1/3 is 33 and 1/3%? Here's a good way to remember it. 100 is not divisible by 3, but 99, which is close to 100, is divisible by 3. 99 divided by 3 is 33, and then the extra 1 divided by 3 is 1 divided by 3, which is 1/3. So 100 divided by 3 is 33 and 1/3. Therefore, the fraction 1/3 is 33 and 1/3%. And here I have some visuals. 1/3 is 33 and 1/3. Here's a picture of 1/3. Here's a picture of 2/3. If you double this, you get 66 and 2/3. Here's 3/3, which is 100%, which is all of it. And here's 1 and 1/3, 133 and 1/3%. Here's another way to visualize it. If you take 3 copies of 33 and 1/3 cents, you get $1. 10 makes out of 30 attempts. 10 over 30 is 1/3. So this person had a shooting percentage of 33 and 1/3%. 40 yes votes out of 60 ballots, 40 over 60. If you divide top and bottom by 20, you get 2/3, which is 66 and 2/3%. Recall what we have seen in previous percent tweets. If you want to take a percent of a number, a good way to do it when possible is to change your percent to a fraction, divide by the bottom first, then multiply by the top. For example, find 66 and 2/3% of 18. That sounds kind of hard to do. With a decimal, it would be very hard. But with a fraction, it's easy. 66 and 2/3% of 18 means 2/3 times 18. Don't multiply first because you get big numbers. Divide first. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Find 33 and 1/3% of 24. That's 1/3 of 24, which means to divide by 3, which is 8. Find 66 and 2/3% of 27. 2/3 of 27. 1/3 of 27 is 9. 2 of those is 18. Find 133 and 1/3% of 150. Well, we're going to get something bigger than 150. 4/3 of 150. Divide first, get 1/3, which is 50. 50 times 4 is 200. Let's look at some applications. If the bill at the restaurant is $39 and you decide to tip $13, what percent is the tip? 13 over 39 is 1/3. This is a hefty 33 and 1/3% tip. Number 2, if sales are expected to be $240 and the actual sales are $320, what percent of 240 is 320? 320 over 240. Well, if I divide by 10, that gives me 32 over 24. And the common factor here is 8, so we get 4/3. 4/3 is 133 and a third percent. Example 3, total income is $6 million. Taxes and fees are 33%. How much goes to taxes and fees? 33% is 1/3. 1/3 of $6 million is $2 million. Example 4, we have 30 copies of a book and 67% have been checked out. How many have been checked out? 2/3 of 30 is 20. Our tweet today, 33 1/3% is 1/3. To find 33 1/3%, divide by 3. If you want to find 66 2/3%, divide by 3 and double. I hope this video has been useful to you. Have a great day.